Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make those oh-so-important purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a showdown that's hotter than a summer barbecue. On the left, we have the JBL Flip 6, the portable powerhouse that sounds so good, you might just forget your ex. And on the right, we've got the Booty Bluetooth speaker, the budget-friendly buddy that promises a good time without breaking the bank. So which speaker will reign supreme? Let's find out. Let's kick things off with sound quality. The JBL Flip 6 boasts JBL Pro sound with its racetrack-shaped woofer and separate tweeter, delivering exceptional sound quality with deep bass and crystal-clear highs. Reviewers rave about how it creates a mini concert in your pocket. On the flip side, the Booty features dual drivers that provide an impressive sound quality, making it a great option for audiobooks and podcasts, even if it struggles a bit at maximum volume. Reviewers note that it delivers good sound for the price, perfect for casual listening. Next up, portability. The Flip 6 is designed for the on-the-go lifestyle, making it perfect for pool parties, park hangouts, or just strutting around your living room. Reviewers love its lightweight and compact design, making it easy to carry. The Booty is also portable, with a good build quality and durability that makes it suitable for outdoor use. However, some users mention that, while it's tough, it may not be as reliable for spontaneous beach trips compared to the Flip 6. Now, let's talk water resistance. The JBL Flip 6 is IP67 rated, meaning it can survive splashes and spills, making it perfect for poolside use. Reviewers appreciate this feature, especially for its durability. In contrast, the Booty has an IPX5 rating, which means it can handle a little water but isn't fully waterproof. Users mention it can withstand some drizzle but may not hold up against larger waves. Now, let's dive into battery life. The JBL Flip 6 offers 12 hours of playtime, which is great for long summer days. Reviewers highlight its impressive battery life for parties and outdoor events. However, the Booty takes the cake with a whopping 24 hours of playtime, making it perfect for those who want to vibe without worrying about charging. Many users commend its long-lasting charge, making it a fantastic choice for extended use. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the price. The JBL Flip 6 comes in at a cool $129, which many reviewers consider an investment for its quality and reliability. Meanwhile, the Booty is just $59, and users are thrilled at this price point, often highlighting it as a steal for the sound quality and features it offers. It's perfect for those on a budget who still want solid performance. In summary, both speakers have their strengths and weaknesses. The JBL Flip 6 is praised for its exceptional sound quality, durability, and water resistance, making it a favorite among serious music lovers. The Booty, on the other hand, stands out for its long battery life and budget-friendly price, appealing to casual listeners looking for value. So who wins this epic showdown? If you want premium sound and don't mind splurging, the JBL Flip 6 is your best bet. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly speaker that packs a punch, the Booty is a solid choice. Remember folks, whether you choose the JBL Flip 6 or the Booty, the most important thing is to enjoy the music and have fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat with Buy Smart. Now, if only we could find a speaker that does the dishes.